Varandas. And you got a nice view. Have a nice artwork with the view. What's up, Black Squad? We're here in Lisbon, Portugal today. Just arrived. Going to my hotel. Staying at the Varandas de Lisboa. I'll show y'all how to get in. First of all, on this corner right here, this is where your Uber or taxi is going to drop you off 9 times out of 10, because this is a restricted area, so you can't go in through this way. It's only walking access, but this is the corner where they're going to drop you off 9 times out of 10. And when you need to catch an Uber, you want to be at this yellow building as well. But we're going to go ahead and I already been through here now, already checked in, so I'm going to show y'all how to get in the easy way if y'all choose to stay at the Varandas de Lisboa. Let's go. And it's a line of restaurants and shops as we walk toward the hotel. Here we are, Varandas de Lisboa. So check in, they're gonna give you a code so you can get in. And you have to punch your code right here on this keypad. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. That opens the door. You just have to go on up these stairs. This is the reception area here. Now, they don't have bathrooms in the room. They have shared bathrooms. So this is one of them. So you come around the corner, in the shower. There's 3 shared bathrooms on this floor. This is another shared bathroom with a tub, bidet, and toilet. Last bathroom here is just the sink and toilet here. And this is my room here. You go in there. Also, they give you a key when you need to get in your room. They got your own personal key. It's not a card, so go ahead and go in. Okay, so this is the room I have here. We have a bench area here with stand-up mirror on the wall. Nice TV also right next to that. We have 2 twin beds in this particular room. Comes with a bottle of water. The nice artwork on the wall and air conditioning unit to keep us cool. Okay, I believe we also have a closet here with the safe. We store our valuables, and we can set the code, easy access, and that's about it for the room, baby. But they do have a couple more areas that's very nice that everybody can use, because like I said, it's like shared common areas in here. So I'm gonna show y'all that right now. Go ahead and lock up the room here. There we go. Come across the common area. Nice kitchen, where if you need to warm something up in the microwave or cook something on the stove, you got what you need over here. Also have a coffee machine, along with the full-size refrigerator and freezer. And tables, want to sit down and eat. Also, one table got a game play on there also, along with the outdoor patio common area. come out here and eat as well, and you got a nice view up top. Sunlight shining in. As you come out of here, you have the elevator here. Take you up to the 5th floor, where they have a nice view of the city. Take us to the top. As we come around the corner, there's our bathrooms here, shower, and this room here is a shared area as well with the view. And this shows a view of the river and where we came from when I first started the tour initially. So back into this room, and a nice couple couches here, large TV, table, nice artwork, and yeah. So this is the Varandas de Lisboa. Very nice hotel. Highly recommend you guys stay here anytime you're in Lisbon, Portugal. And you know what it is. Till next time. Peace.